In this video, we are going to go over points, lines, and planes. Now, what is a point? Now, a point is simply a location or a position. We usually use a point when dealing with a coordinate system to show an exact location. Even though a point has 0 dimensions, we model a point with a dot. And to label a point, we put a capital letter. So this can be point A. Now a line is a series of points in the same direction. What this is saying is if we took point A and moved it straight down to another point, say B, then kept going down with it, C, D, E, F, and so on, when we connected those series of points, that is what creates our line. The line can go continually down, or the line can go continually up. So a line represents one dimension. And a line is modeled by a straight line with 2 arrowheads that are connected between 2 points, say points A and B. And this line can be a line with a lowercase letter, such as line L. So when referring to this line, we can say line L, line AB, or line BA. We could also say AB with a line over top, or we can say BA with a line over top. And that is read as line AB or line BA. So a point is 0 dimensions, a line is 1 dimension, and now we have a plane. And a plane is simply a flat surface. The best way to think about a plane is to think about a flat surface, or a piece of paper. This piece of paper is made up of many, many points. Let's say we have some point A and some point B. Points A and B are a line, so in order for it to be a plane, we need to add another point. So this is a plane through 3 points. So a plane is a flat surface made up of many points. You need a minimum of 3 points to make a plane. There is exactly 1 plane through any 3 points that do not lie within the same line. So I can rotate this at an angle, and A, B, and C will still be on the same plane. I can rotate it forward, backwards, I could even flip it over, but A, B, and C are still on this plane. The way you label a plane is we could call this whole plane R. So this is plane R, or we could say plane A, B, C, or any combination. We could say plane ABC, plane BCA, plane CBA, plane CAB, and so on. So there would be 6 different combinations for how we could name this plane plus plane R. I could connect points A and B together with a line. I can also connect points A and C together. Likewise, I can connect points B and C. However, there is no way that A, B, and C could all fall within the same line. Therefore, A, B, and C are not collinear together. Collinear means that a point lies on the same line. A and B are collinear because they fall on the line AB. B and C are collinear because they fall on the line BC. And A and C are collinear because they fall on the line AC. However, A, B, and C are all coplanar because they fall on the same plane. So collinear means that a point falls on the same line, and coplanar means that points fall on the same plane. So if a point has 0 dimensions, a line has 1 dimension, and a plane has 2 dimensions, such as height and width or length and width, the best way to think of space is to think of a cube. Space is boundless, so space would be like extending this cube out for infinity. This cube, however, is a solid and does not extend out infinitely into space, but it sits or rests in space. A cube is made up of many different planes. Remember, if we took our piece of paper as a plane, that plane could pass through the cube many different ways. So space, or a solid figure, would be 3 dimensions. Points, lines, and planes are considered undefined terms, so how a line contains points, and a plane contains lines and points, a space, so expanding this out, contains planes, lines, and points.